Hey y'all, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. Now before I get started, I want to say I know cleaning videos are not everybody's favorites, and I get it, but I really enjoy putting them on sometimes and like cleaning with the person and getting the motivation if I'm not feeling very motivated. So hopefully this will help motivate you. Maybe you can just put me on your phone or your TV or your iPad, wherever you watch from, and let me talk your head off and motivate you to get things done that you really might not feel like doing. But this is going to be my last really good clean before Christmas. I've been saying for a couple days now that I have really got to mop my floors. So I just decided to get up, put my reindeer antlers on, put my big girl panties on, and let's just get the thing done. So that's what I'm doing. So hopefully this will motivate you and we can just chit chat along the way. But I decided to get up, get this house clean. I started with my kitchen, of course. I feel like that's the best place to start for me, is like if my kitchen is clean and then the bathrooms are clean, then everything else just kind of falls into place, you know what I mean? So hopefully this will give you some motivation to clean with me and see how good it feels afterwards. Now, not gonna lie to you, this takes a toll on the old bod. Not as young as I used to be, and it takes me a little longer than it used to, but I get it done, and the reward of after is the best feeling in the world. And later on, I'm gonna be sharing with you, I say it's a cleaning hack. It's just something that I did one day, and I've stuck with it because it has just helped me tremendously in cleaning the bathrooms. So I wanted to share that with y'all. And then I'm also going to share a thing that my mother gave me that, y'all, she's always getting stuff off of TikTok. But she got it and I thought it was genius. So I'm trying it for the first time. I'll give you my opinions on it. So yeah, let's just get this house clean, get all the motivation and get the blood pumping and try to work off some of those sweets I've been eating and, you know, get it all done. And I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas. I cannot believe that Christmas is almost here. It's like, where did the time go? And then this morning I'm watching, and we're supposed to have the warmest Christmas in history. We're going to break all kinds of records. So if it's going to be warm up north, y'all know we're going to be scorching down south. And I'm just, I don't want a hot Christmas. We have too many hot Christmases. I want a cold Christmas. Where's that weather we had a few weeks ago? Come on now. But anyway, it is what it is. We had a great time with Delane and them last night, and then we will get with James's family. Y'all know we do all that, like his sister's coming in town, and his mother and all of them. We're going to be the hub of the family get together. And so we're going to do that a couple days after Christmas. So we'll still have some celebrating to do even after Christmas is over with. We've got the littles gifts ordered. I think most of them are supposed to be here today, and a couple things are going to come in Wednesday. But y'all, I love this O-Cedar mop. I love this O-Cedar mop, y'all. Now I just put a squirt of Dawn in there, and I just put a little bit of pine sol because of the Christmas time. I thought the pine would smell so good, and I was right, it did. And y'all, this kitchen floor was disgusting. It was so nasty with all the cooking I've been doing, and then we've had some rain, and it was horrible. And I don't know if y'all have checked out the slippers I have on my feet. They're the cutest things. I will try to insert a picture of them close up, but Delane and Tyler got me those last night, and they have Buster's face on them and his name. Y'all remember, was it last year or the year before that I got Delane a pair of slippers with Benson's name and picture? Well, she got me a pair this year with Buster, and I love them. They are so comfortable too. And they are just, I love them. I love them so much. So I'm sporting my Buster slippers, and y'all know there ain't no glamming up when we're doing some cleaning because we're going to be hot and sweaty. So I was just like, nope, no makeup, put the headband on. Eventually I'm going to be clipping the hair up, and thank goodness these pajamas are not the hottest in the world. And yeah, so here I didn't film, or I thought I filmed, but maybe I didn't turn the camera on, taking the stuff out of the hallway and all that, and mopping the hall and the front bathroom. But it was all dry, so I was putting it all back in place. But tell me, are y'all through with all your Christmas shopping? Have you got all of your chores done? Or are you like me, you still doing some chores and trying to wrap things up so you can just enjoy the holiday? I feel like I've been going non-stop just so I can get to a point where I can just chill out and relax. But I think tonight, once this house has been mopped and cleaned and dusted, I think I'm going to be able to just really chill and just know, you know, that's another thing off of my list, off my shoulders, you know. And I just hate having things hanging over my head, things I know I need to do. And it's just like, okay, I think tonight I'm just going to feel so much better knowing this is done and now I can just relax. You know what I mean? So let me get me something to drink. Let y'all keep me a little bit of company while I'm continuing to put things back after the floors are dried, and I'll be back in just a bit. Now my mop did not want to mop these rugs, but they were so disgusting, so I did wipe them off with the mop the best I could, and it helped a lot. So this is the thing my mom ordered off of TikTok. This is like a Swiffer, but it's washable. Washable, y'all. So I was trying it out for the first time. I'm not moving everything off the shelves. I'm just kind of like spot dusting, getting some things off. But I really liked that it didn't snag like the other Swiffers do. I have found like in some areas where you go to use them, they kind of snag and you get little white fuzzies everywhere. And it did a good job. It really did. I think this is going to be awesome for the blinds, to dust the blinds. I didn't do that today, but I think that that's going to be an awesome use for this. And the fact that it's washable, you're saving money too. And that's always a win, right? So I liked it. I mean, this was my first time using it. I'll have to try it a few more times to like say for sure 100% I'm sold on it. But I did like the fact that it did not snag. That was definitely a plus for me. And this living room, oh my gosh, y'all, behind the recliner, it had to be cleaned and mopped. There was so much dust back there. It is amazing how much dust accumulates and how fast. And I clean regularly, y'all. It's not like I don't dust and clean but once a month or something. I'm always cleaning. But I'm just always amazed at how dusty and dirty everything gets. But, you know, I guess that's part of just being lived in, you know. But I got to tell y'all, this has been my favorite Christmas decor I've had in a very, very long time. I've really enjoyed this decor. I love this smaller tree in this crock. You know, even if I change themes and stuff, that tree will be the tree I use because it is the perfect size for our living room. It's not too much, and I just love it. So it will definitely be my tree of choice from now on. And it is a tree from Michael's. Sarah gave it to me a couple years ago, but she got it from Michael's. It was a pre-lit tree. Now the lights quit working on it, and I took the time and cut them all off, and then I just string my own lights. But I love that tree. And yes, by humbug, y'all. Any guesses where this coffee's going?
Y'all don't know how long it took to train her today.
Really? He is so funny. Oh my gosh. So the key to a happy marriage, in my opinion, is you let them think they have you trained. But you just do what you want to do anyway. But you make them think it's their idea. Now it takes a lot of practice and a lot of skill, but these things can be achieved and mastered. No, seriously, I love spoiling him and taking care of him because Lord knows he's so good to me and takes such good care of me. Now, y'all know when I climb into this bed tonight with them clean sheets, after I have cleaned and mopped this whole entire house, you know that I'm going to be thanking myself for this, right? There is nothing better than climbing into a bed with fresh, clean sheets in a clean house. Ugh. If they could bottle that up and sell it, that would just be amazing. I love it. I love a clean house. I love fresh, clean sheets. If I could do it and had it, the energy and the time, I would probably put clean sheets on my bed every day. But, you know, a couple times a week's good for me. And these pillow cases, they are some that I thrifted that have the pretty crocheted edge. Y'all, I love those pillowcases. I don't know what they're made out of, but they are the best pillowcases I have ever slept on. Okay, I want to share a cleaning hack with y'all. It's using a Clorox toilet wand, and this may be something you already know, but I did this a few times ago. This has been my go-to for cleaning my tub because it is so aggravating. And so I get a fresh one of these, I spray my tub down with some bleach, wet this, and then I use this to scrub my tub. And it has been a game changer for me. So, not just for your toilet. This is a fresh one. This is not one that's been in the toilet. And I will use all of this up on my tub, so I won't even be able to like go from the tub to the toilet. But it's just enough to clean the worst parts of my tub. So, I thought I would share that with y'all. It is amazing and it is coming so handy for me. And again, this might be something you already knew about it, but I just decided to do this a little while ago and it's been amazing, so I wanted to share with y'all. But I'm just gonna spray my tub down real quick. I try to clean my tub like every time I get out of it, try to wipe it down. But I got lazy last night and it's disgusting. I ain't even gonna lie. It's disgusting. So I just do the stopper in, get a little bit of water in there, wet this, and start cleaning. And it's been a game changer. I was thinking, do they make something like this for it to clean like bathtubs and showers on this wand like that? Surely they do, and I just have never paid attention. Do y'all know? If you do, let me know. Let me know what kind it is. But this has just helped me out so much. You know, anything we can do to save our bodies, I'm all for it. The older you get, you know, you gotta work hard, smarter, not harder. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do here. I'm working smarter and not harder. And I'm out of my Dawn dishwashing liquid. Y'all see it on my tub. What I do is I try to keep some of that in my bathtub, and then I spray the tub down when I get out, and just kind of wash it down. And that's how I keep it clean every day. And then, of course, I'll go in and bleach it and stuff. But I'm out of my Dawn, so this was definitely a much needed clean. But, you know, nothing feels better than having your bathroom bleached and clean. I don't know. It's one of those things that it just smells so clean and fresh. And I love that in the bathrooms. Oh, we're getting so close to being finished. I went through literally 3 buckets of mop water because I would change the mop water out after I did a couple of floors like the kitchen and the hallway. I changed the mop water out. the living room, I changed the mop water out, and now this is going to be fresh mop water for this room and the bathroom. That's how bad these floors were. I'm not exaggerating. I'm not one of these people that clean a clean house. You know what I'm saying? No, ma'am. I don't have time for that. This was much needed. Much needed. So, if you're like me, don't feel bad. It's just part of it. We've been busy. December has just flown by. I cannot even believe we're on the 22nd. That just blows my mind. But anyway, I'm going to get these floors swept and mopped. And oh my goodness, it's going to feel so good. And I'm going to feel so accomplished and so proud of me. And I hope you feel that way about you if you're cleaning and getting all the things done. Now let's just marvel at all of our hard work and pat ourselves on the back and enjoy this 5 minutes of it looking like this, because if your husband's home for 2 weeks like mine is, I'm going to be going behind him quite frequently. But I'm trying not to nag. I want him to enjoy his time off. But it does feel good to have it all clean and have documentation of what it can look like when it's clean. And I'm just loving how it smells. It smells clean. It smells like pine, which is a plus. Just look at that ray of sunshine. Not a care in the world, and I wouldn't have it any other way. All right, y'all, that is going to do it for me today. I hope you got some cleaning motivation. But now I am going to soak in a hot tub with Epsom salt. I have some shea butter and almond oil, Epsom salt. I have my iPad playing with the fireplace with some Christmas music. I'm just going to soak in the tub with the Christmas lights and just relax and give my body some much needed relaxation after all the cleaning. But I thank you so much for hanging out with me. I love each and every one of you, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video. Bye, y'all.